So, hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today we are here to talk about procrastination. It's a big problem because we all set lots of goals, big goals to achieve. I want to do this, I want to do this. But when we start doing, we think, I will do it later, I will do it tomorrow, I will do it after 1 month. So why it's happening? Why we do? Why we procrastinate? If we have decided to do anything, so why we are not going to complete it immediately? Because of some reasons. Because when we decide to achieve anything, we set big goals. Like I have to earn 10 lakh rupees in 1 month. But on the currently you are not earning anything. So how you are going to achieve it? You have to make it in a pieces, in a small pieces. If you are not a book reader, you have decided I am going to read 5,000 books and every month I am going to complete one book. How? It's not possible, because I am going to tell some important rules which I learned, so I think I have to share with you all. So this is 2-minute rule, because most of the time why we fail to achieve any goal, why we do procrastinate, because there are some reasons. We don't want to complete it because it's very hard. We don't want to achieve, we are not going to do it because it's very difficult. Like I have decided to write article, and I can't write if I am not a writer. I am not habitual with writing. So how I am going to write 5,000 or 1,000 article in one sitting? So what we have to do, we have to break it into pieces, like very easy, moderate, hard, and very hard. So these are the some steps. If we are going to break through our goals into 4 steps, so we are going to achieve it and we are not going to procrastinate it. Like if you have decided to read book and you are not a reader, so what you are going to do? You are going to decide that every day I will open a book, and just I will open and read the heading of the book, then I close it. So the main purpose is to build a habit. You have to start from the very easy. It looks very easy. So if it will looks very easy, so we are going to habitual to involve in that habit. So the second day, when you will start to read 5 line, 10 line, then you are going to read 1 paragraph, then you are going to read 1 page, then you are going to read 2 pages, then you are going to read 3 pages. So gradually you have to develop your habit. So this is the best way to develop any good habit within you if you are not habitual. So what is this? This is a 2-minute rule which you have to follow to develop any rule, in any habit you are going to develop in any work. So what you have to do, you have to keep it very easy, so you don't have any excuse to procrastinate it. If you have decided to run, so what you have to do, you have to just think, I will wake up in the morning and then I will walk in my room. Only I will wake up, then I will walk in my room. So what will happen after some day, after 1 week, you will be habitual with waking up from your bed and walking 1 minute. So this is a great way to build any habit, is 2-minute rule. It means you have to make it very easy, then moderate, then hard, then very hard. So you have to break it. Like you are not a writer, so you have to decide, write one sentence in one day. Then you can write one paragraph. Then after some day you can write 1000 words article. Then you can write 5000 articles. Then you can decide to write a book. So this is a process. This is the rule of 2 minutes. So you can overcome your procrastination. So this was the thing which I learned today and I have shared with you all. So I think you got some value from this video. So keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for watching, and we will meet in next video. So thanks for today.